So we are not only talking about one Delhi Aam Aadmi Party Mantri, but a Delhi court today also will be hearing of the other Aam Aadmi Party Neta, Satyendra Jain's bail plea today. And this is in relation to the money laundering case that has been registered against him, where the ED has already opposed Satyendra Jain's application, saying that the probe is very crucial stage at this point and the bail could hamper the investigation.
And Jain has been in judicial custody for quite some time. Remember that he was arrested in the alleged money laundering case as far back as the 28th of May. And the Enforcement Directorate has made a series of submissions before the court, even saying that the gravity of the health situation pertaining to Mr. Satyendra Jain is not as serious as he had made it out to be. The court even ended up saying that there's a prima facie basis to proceed against Mr. Jain at this particular point in time.
इन लोगों ने 2 महीने पहले झूठा केस बना के मेरे स्वास्थ्य मंत्री को अंदर कर दिया। 2 महीने से वो अंदर है। झूठा केस है बिल्कुल। अगर उसमें जरा सी भी सच्चाई होती, अगर सत्येंद्र जैन हमारा स्वास्थ्य मंत्री जरा सा भी बेईमान होता, मैं उसको निकाल के बाहर कर देता। हम जरा सा भी, इतना सा भी भ्रष्टाचार बर्दाश्त नहीं करते। लेकिन वो भ्रष्टाचार नहीं देख रहे। उन्होंने 2 महीने पहले मेरे स्वास्थ्य मंत्री को अंदर कर दिया और अब ये मनीष सिसोदिया को अगले 3-4 दिन में जेल भेजना चाहते हैं।
We have Bhavtosh with us. Bhavtosh, in regard of, denying Satyendra Jain bail and the others as well, they continue to remain in judicial custody. What is the case that is now being built up by the EC, because they are fearing that there could be tampering of evidence, as he is a man who holds an influential position?
As far as Satyendra Jain is concerned, the case revolves around the fact that when he was a public servant, he had purchased land worth at least 21 crore rupees, or around 238 bighas on outskirts of Delhi. Now, the Enforcement Directorate has said that he never cooperated with the investigating agency when he was in the custody. He claimed that once he got COVID, he suffered from memory loss. He did not even answer any of the questions that were asked by the Enforcement Directorate. And when he was in judicial custody, he got himself shifted into a jail in a hospital within the jail, and then he got himself admitted in a government hospital. Now, those are serious charges that have been leveled by the Enforcement Directorate. Now, remember, 2 of his very close aides, whether it's Satyendra Jain or Manish Sisodia, have been under the scanner of two federal probe agencies, whether it's CBI or Enforcement Directorate, and that's the reason why Arvind Kejriwal is saying that central agencies, whether it's CBI or ED, are after him, and that's the reason why he has said that these probes are politically motivated.
Right, thanks a lot for that update, Bhavtosh, and we'll see how the bail hearing in fact pans out and whether or not the court takes on board the submissions made by the Enforcement Directorate in this matter. We'll slip into a short break. We'll come back with more on the other side. Stay tuned.